Today we are going to discuss the application of the physical use of reality life. And first of all, as personally, I am a big fan of automobile and motorsport. I really care about how the technology development of automobile I focus on and also on motorsport. And since 2014, Formula One was development a new type engine and they put a hybrid unit combined with the this is how the animal when the driver pushes the switch and the electron gonna transfer by the wires to activate the batteries and the battery gonna spit out all the energy from recycling and use the wire send more electron to the model on a driver shaft and produce more horsepower and let the drivers and the vehicle turning fast and fast. Okay, let me do some little experience about how we can run in the energy circles. So far we have one battery, we have two wires connected by alligator clip, and later in the battery we can set electron to the battery. Then we can use the millimeter we have here to test how the energy cycle does. So from first step, let me just connect the battery a little bit.
I know, yeah.
There you go. Then we can easily see since 0 to 6.7.6 and 3 around these numbers. And when we be disconnected is disconnected is 0 has 0. Reconnected and it's 7.6 and even higher. That means around this magnet they have an electrical circle here between magnet to the battery. Also have a little bit heat here. Well, this is how the energy is running like. Here we had a question over here. How many joules of energy can be Formula engine hybrid unit produced in total linear ways? It will be about 150 minutes. If it is hooked up to a 1000 watt light and has a resistance of 50 ohms. So far we get the watt for the is like 1000 we can use it, and we get resistance is 50 ohms. Back to the question, as I say, we already have 1000 watt and 50 ohms. So that means we can just make it very simple math over here. So back to and down, we have the formula over here. We have like 1000 watt square feet and mass of course gonna be equal over here. Then back to here, we have the resistance, and that means 50. So when we 1000 square, it's gonna be a million of here, a million joule, a million watts, honestly. And then we split the wire by the 50 ounce. That means then we get the answer up here is 20,000 joules per second. As we get this, as we get the power of the electrical appliance, that's the very important part of this free triangle here. And then we're just doing some easy multiply jobs. Okay, now we have another simple math formula here. So we get the power of a electrical appliance. That means that 20,000 per second. Then we get the 60 seconds. That means after this we can get the answer for the how many power from per minute. Then we can just jump in on another step of here is that meaning the total wasting time. And from 1 minute we can produce about 1,200,000 joules. And then we times 150 minutes. That means we get the 180 million joules. That means you go to 3,000 kilowatt. And that's our answer. We can get the Formula One hybrid unit engines can produce 3,000 kilowatt of the hot pour waste, how powerful that is. And later, I'm gonna show a video about the speed and what the sound they make of this breathing hyper engine produce. There, here you go. We have our unit from our formula gonna be from total energy. We looking for this little triangle here, and we gonna need this both, and that means we need the power of the electrical appliance and the type of electrical competition.